So I figured out how to check to see if your subscriptions are private. And if you go into the studio, YouTube Studio, and click on channel, then you go to advanced settings, then you click on the YouTube account, and then if you click on privacy, you will see here it says keep all my subscriptions private, and when you have that on, nobody can see if you subscribe to their channel. So if you take and shut that off, people will actually be able to see when you subscribe to their channel. I hope that helps. If you have any questions or want any tips on your YouTube channel, feel free to leave a comment. Have a good night.